Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare XL versus UV slider golf drivers. We'll dive into the core features of each, helping you understand their unique benefits on the course. My goal is to provide clear insights so you can confidently choose the driver that elevates your game. Let's explore how these drivers perform and what makes them distinct. The XL driver is engineered for maximum forgiveness, making it ideal for golfers seeking consistency. Its larger sweet spot helps maintain ball speed even on less than perfect contact. This design promotes a higher, more stable ball flight, which often translates to more consistent carry distance and accuracy down the fairway. It's a great choice for improving overall shot dispersion. The UV slider driver stands out with its innovative adjustability features. Golfers can easily manipulate movable weights to dial in their preferred shot shape, whether it's a draw or a fade. This driver also offers extensive loft and lie adjustments, giving you precise control over launch conditions. It's perfect for players who enjoy customizing their equipment to optimize performance for specific course conditions. Deciding between the XL and UV slider drivers depends on your personal game. If you prioritize forgiveness and consistent, straight shots, the XL driver is likely your best bet. However, if you love to fine-tune your equipment and shape your shots, the UV slider offers unparalleled customization. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Ultimately, the best driver enhances your confidence and enjoyment on the course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.